Good morning, students. Today, History, Unit 7, Anti-Colonial Movements and the Birth of Nationalism. Continuation, students. Yesterday, we saw Indigo Revolt and Deccan Riots. Yesterday, we saw. Today, the foundation of Indian National Congress. The foundation of Indian National Congress. Listen here carefully, students. The Indian National Congress was founded in 1885. 1885, Indian National Congress was started. In the 19th century, the lot of Indian intelligentsia, the wise people, knowledge people, came into effect, and the intelligentsia given an idea of nation. Lot of ideas were given by the intelligentsias. The intelligentsias like lawyers, teachers, government employees and doctors came forward. They were given lot of ideas to form the nationalism. India was under the control of British during that time. So the lot of intelligentsias came forward and given an idea of nationalism. The print media came forward, and both vernacular and also other newspapers, native language newspapers, vernacular languages and other English language also. The newspapers were started. The print media came forward and given an idea about the nationalism. The lot of ideas were given. The lawyers, government employees, teachers, doctors given more and more ideas to the nationalism. The nationalism was formed by Madras Native Association. Madras Native Association in 1852 came forward. 1852, Madras Native Association came forward and given a lot of ideas to the Indian National Congress. The foundation of Indian National Congress. Then East India Association in 1866 came forward and given lot of ideas about the Indian National Congress. Then Madras Mahajana Sabha started in 1884. Madras Mahajana Sabha came to effect and given a lot of nationalist ideas. Nationalistic ideas were given by the Madras Mahajana Sabha in 1884. Then Purna Sarvajanik Sabha in 1870. Purna Sarvajanik Sabha in 1870. More and more information were given. Ideas were given. Finally, the Bombay Presidency Association in 1885. Bombay Presidency Association came forward and more ideas were given during that time about the nationalism. Economic critic of nationalism, colonialism. Economic critic of colonialism. Most significant formulation of economic critic was colonialism. During the time, the Britishers were colonized in India. Colonialism were started. They extended their territory in our country. More and more territories under the control of British. The colonialism was a hindrance of the economic development of our country. India, the economic critic was mostly the colonialism. Dadabhai Naoroji, Justice Govinda Ranade, Ramesh Chandra Dutt. They were the idealists. They given lot of information about the colonial economy. Colonial economy in India, the colonial economy was only the prevents of the economic development of our country. So, colonialism must avoid by the British. They against the British, colonialism strictly prohibited during that time. Objectives and methods. The Indian National Congress was started in 1885 by Allan Octavian Hume. Allan Octavian Hume was the founder of the Indian National Congress. The Indian National Congress was actively participated by Bombay, Madras and Kolkata presidencies came forward. And a lot of information were given during the time of 1885, Indian National Congress, when Indian National Congress was started. Umesh Chandra Banerjee was the first president of the Indian National Congress. Umesh Chandra Banerjee was first president of Indian National Congress. The Indian National Congress first session was held in 28 December 1885. Key demands. There are a lot of demands by the Indians during that time against the British, and during that time the key demands were provided by the Indians. The key demands are: legislative council was started in all the province and also central level. All the provinces and also central level, the legislative council were started. The Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Council, Rajya Sabha. Yes. Number of elected members in the legislative council was increased. According to the state, the number of elected members were increased in legislative council. Third one, separating the judicial and executives. Judicial and executive members were separated. Next one, reducing the military expenditure. The military expenditure want to reduce. One of the key demands. Reduction of the home charges. Next one, reduction of the home charges. Home charges want to minimize. The trial by jury was extended. Trial by jury was extended. Next one, the civil service examination was started in India as well as England. Civil service examination was started. One of the key demands. Next one, police reforms were made. Police reforms were made. And then forest laws were extended. forest laws were extended during that time, reformed. And Indian industries were developed. Indian industries were developed. And finally, the tariffs of the goods and services and also excise duties were reduced. The tax were levied, no. These are all reduced. One of the key demands of the Indian National Congress. Militant nationalism. Before militant nationalism, during the time of nationalism, many leaders came forward. And their main aim was to get independence from the British. In the nationalistic movements, the moderates came forward and extremists also came forward. Listen here carefully, students. Who are all known as moderates? Surendranath Banerjee, Dadabhai Naoroji, Feroz Shah Mehta, Gopalakrishna Gokhale and M.G. Renede were known as moderates. The moderates' main aim, what you know, boys and girls? Listen here. They wanted to get independence from the British without bloodshed. They have followed non-violence method. Non-violence means what, students? Without taking weapons, peacefully they wanted to get independence. Their demands peacefully. Indian grievances were set by the moderates to the British and get peacefully, we want to get independence from the British. That is the main aim of moderates. The moderates work was, there is no concrete outcome. So after that, extremists came. Moderates means what? Midavadigal. Without weapon, we want to get freedom from the British. Extremists. Extremists means what? Thiviravadi. The extremists main aim, what you know, students? The moderate methods were, there is no concrete outcome. They thought that they wanted to attack the British, then only we can get independence. They wanted to take armaments. Without armaments, we can't get independence. They thought that, extremists thought that. The extremist leaders who are all, you know, students, listen here. Lal Bal Paul, popularly known as Lal Bal Paul. Lal Bal Paul. Lal means what? Lala Lajpat Rai. Bal means what? What? Bala Gangadhara Tilak. And Paul means what? Bipin Chandra Pal. Lala Lajpat Rai, Bala Gangadhara Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, known as extremists. They thought that if we want India to get independence, without weapons we can't, not able to get independence. They thought that. So they cruelly treated the British. They wanted to attack the British, then only we can get the independence. They thought that. The extremist, Thiviravada ideas, extremist ideas were thought. So both moderates and extremists joined together and fought against the British during that time. Listen here students, once again I am going to recall the foundation of the Indian National Congress. The Indian National Congress was started in 1885. In the 19th century, Indian intelligentsia came forward and given more and more ideas to the nation. India. The ideas were given by the intelligentsia. The print media came forward. Both vernacular and English newspapers came forward and circulate all over the country. And more ideas were given in that print media. Then there were the intelligentsias were the lawyers, government employees, teachers and doctors came forward and more ideas were given during that time of Indian National Congress. Madras Native Association in 1852, East India Association in 1866, Madras Mahajana Sabha in 1884, Purna Sarvajanik Sabha in 1870 and Bombay Presidency Association in 1885. These agencies, more and more ideas were given formation of Indian National Congress and how to get Indian independence. They given more and more ideas. Nationalistic ideas were given during that time. Economics critic of colonialism. India under the control of British before independence for the past 200 years. Most significant formulation of economic critic was colonialism. Colonialism was the main hindrance of the Indian development, particularly the economic development of India. They captured many places in our country. British captured many colonies in India. So the peoples were not able to involve in the economically backward in a position. The main reason for the economic hindrance of our India was colonialism. The colonial economy was a hindrance of the economic development of our country, Indian economic development. Objectives and methods. Indian National Congress was started in 1885 by Allan Octavian Hume. He was the founder of Indian National Congress. Initially, it was actively involved by Bombay, Madras and Calcutta. Indian National Congress was actively involved. Then Umesh Chandra Banerjee was the first president of the Indian National Congress. Umesh Chandra Banerjee was the first president of Indian National Congress. The Indian National Congress first session was held in 28th December 1885 at Bombay. Key demands. What are the key demands of the Indian National Congress? Listen here, students. First one, the provincial and central level legislative council were started. Then, number of elected members were increased in the legislative council. Then, separating the judicial and executive authorities. All the judicial functions and the executives were separated. Then, reducing the military expenditure. Then, reduction of home charges. Home charges were reduced. Then, trial by jury was extended. Trial by jury was extended. Civil service examination were started in India as well as England also. police reforms were made. Then forest laws were enabled. And Indian industries were developed. More and more goods and services were, finished products were increased in industries. The raw material also goes to Indian industries. Indian industries want to develop. And finally, the tariffs were reduced and the excise duties also reduced. Taxes were reduced. Militant nationalism. During the time of nationalism, there are two moderates and extremists came forward. The moderates were Surendranath Banerjee, Dadabhai Naoroji, Feroz Shah Mehta, Gopalakrishna Gokhale and M.G. Renade were known as moderates, and extremists were known as Bal Lal Pal, Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal and Lala Lajpat Rai. The moderates main aim what? Without weapons, they want to get independence. Peacefully they want to get independence. Their demands were forwarded to the British by the moderates. But extremists, the moderate methods were not able to get independence. They thought that there is no concrete outcome of the moderates' methods. So they followed extremism. Lal Bal Pal. The extremist idea, they took weapons and fought against the British. Okay, then, students, tomorrow the continuation will see.